If you're signing up for the first time, be sure to use the code LEPAG to unlock exclusive bonuses. You can manually enter the code during sign up, but if you've already registered under a different code, just contact live support. They will apply the LEPAG bonus code to your account. Make sure to check out our site, RoobetRewards.com, for the leaderboard and much more.
But this time let's try to play a road. Let's see can my strategy work here. Let's see can my strategy work. If we lose this 200, I'm gonna bet 1,000 again and win this 200. And just repeat the process. Okay, we lost on first, let's go for second. Broski, 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 my broski, broski, bratsky, broski, bratsky, bratsky, broski, broski, easy, peasy, lemon, squeezy, easy, peasy, lemon, squeezy, 600, 800, 1.2, 2.4. Broski, I just told you how to win money on chicken, bro. We're betting $1,000. Win 200, then we're spending this 200 trying to complete a road, and we got it, bro.